Hello friends, today I came with a very new video, the name Screencastify. This application is a free screen recorder for Chrome. For this application, no download is required. Through this application, we can record, edit and share videos in seconds. Videos also get autosave in your Google Drive. So starting with it, first type Screencastify in Google tab. Click the first link, that is screencastify.com. Now it is asking that you can add its extension to the Chrome and it is completely free. So just click to it. Now select add to Chrome. It is checking and it is asking that it will display notification and also capture the content of your screen. So just add extension. Here you can see that the extension is getting downloaded. The extension is already get added in your Chrome server. It is about 20 MB. So for using Screencastify, you have to click on the Screencastify logo on the toolbar. So just click on it. Now it will ask for the setup. Setup consists of 3 steps. First you have to sign in with your Google account. Now sign in with your Google. Choose the account through which you want to sign in. Enter the password. Click next. Step 1 is completed. Now set the permission. Allow your camera and microphone and also the drawing and annotation tools. Click on allow. Now the Screencastify get added in your Google Chrome and it is ready to use. To use it, you have to click on the Screencastify logo in your toolbar. Click on it. Now it is asking whether you want to share your browser tab, desktop or webcam only, or you want to use microphone or embedded webcam. You can share your video accordingly. I want to show my desktop screen, so I have selected desktop, and microphone is also allowed. So microphone with default setting, select, and now you can start recording your screen. Click on record. Now it is asking whether you want to show your entire screen or application window. So I want to share my entire screen. Select this and click on share button. Now it gets started. Whatever you are doing in your screen, it will automatically get recorded in your Screencastify application. So if I want to teach something online, for example about Google Classroom, so whatever I am doing in the screen will be shown to the students. Or if you want to teach some online material, you can also do with the help of Screencastify application. So I am showing the Google Classroom. So this is my Google Classroom with the number of classes. For example, I am selecting on it and I want to teach student about the Google Classroom, how to use it and anything about assignment or something else. So I can do with the help of this application. Or you can also show if something is available in your desktop. For example, I'm showing this PDF file and I want to teach this PDF. So with the help of this application, you can teach everything that is available in your desktop. After, when you have completed your recording and your teaching, now you can click on this button, stop sharing, and the total duration for the video will not be more than 5 minutes. It can be less but not more than 5 minutes. So my teaching is complete. Now I want to stop this sharing. Now you can see that your video is automatically saving in your Google Drive. Till it get completed, you can share the link of this video in Google Classroom, or you can directly publish to the YouTube channel. You can also download this video in the form of MP4. So this application has number of uses and it is very much easy to use because it creates link directly that can be shared into various applications. So just wait for it until it gets completed and stored in your Google Drive account. Now the video gets stored in Google Drive. Now you can share the link to the either Google Classroom or YouTube channel. For example, I want to publish this video in YouTube, so select it. Now it will ask for the account, so I selected my Google account through which I am logged in. If you want to make this video private or public, so now I want to make this video private. You can also make it public and unlisted. You can add description. For example, I've explained about Screencastify, so I'm giving its justification. Now select on upload. So this video is getting uploaded on your YouTube account. So you can see this is so easy to use. Your video is automatically get uploaded on your YouTube channel. Now either you can view on YouTube or you can copy link directly. So I want to see on my YouTube channel. So your video is directly uploaded in YouTube channel and it is visible on YouTube. So this application is very much easy to use. Hope you will use this application in online teaching. So thank you.